Hello guys, we have a question here that says an iron rod of volume 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube and the relative permeability is 1000 is placed as core in a solenoid in 10 tons per centimeter. Okay, if a current of 0.5 ampere is passed, half ampere is passed through the solenoid, then the magnetic moment of the rod will be. Okay, we have the formula of magnetic moment, that is M equals to NIA mu r minus 1. Okay, we put the value of N, that is NL IA mu r minus 1. We get we have the following given things, that is N equals to 10 tons per centimeter. Okay, so we have to convert it into tons per meter, then so we have to divide it 10 to the power minus 2, so we get 1000 ton per meter. Okay, so and the volume is 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube and the current is 0.5 ampere and N equals to NL NI, sorry. Okay, so after this we get this. Okay, we have the value of Al area into length, that is our volume. Okay, so we put these values in this, so we get 1000 into 0.5 into 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 1000 minus 1. After solving this we get 499.5 and we can round it off to 500, so we get 5 into 10 to the power 2, so our answer is 3. Thank you.